vibration of an air column. Vibration of an air column. So we have to consider one pipe. Such pipe will be closed at one end or open at one end. We have to given a one tuning fork, and such tuning fork will be strike on a rubber pad, and striking tuning fork will be held near the mouth of the tubes or pipe. At that time, tuning fork emit the longitudinal waves consisting of compression and rarefaction. So, tuning fork will be held near the mouth of the tubes or pipe. The wave should be incident in a pipe consisting of air column. Such incident wave will be reached at the closed end, and this wave will be reflect back in the opposite direction. So incident waves and reflected waves, they are interfere with each other, obtain the stationary waves. Stationary waves consisting of node and antinodes. When vibration of air column, pipe is closed at one end. कारण व्हायब्रेशन ऑफ एअर कॉलम मध्ये आपल्याला दोन प्रकारचे आहेत. एक आहे नंबर 1, पाईप इज क्लोज्ड ॲट वन एंड. पाईप इज क्लोज्ड ॲट वन एंड. पाईप हा एका साइडनी क्लोज आहे, दुसऱ्या साइडनी ओपन आहे. यात आपण इन्सिडेंट वेव्ह फ्रॉम ट्युनिंग फोर्क ते आपण इन्सिडेंट केली पाईप मध्ये. सच वेव विल रीच एट द क्लोज एंड and such will reflect back in the opposite direction. So incident waves and reflected waves, they are interfere with each other, obtain the stationary waves. So node is formed at the closed end and antinode is formed at the open end. What is my node? Node means there is amplitude is 0, are called as node. Amplitude is maximum, are called as antinodes. So distance between one node and adjacent antinode is equal to lambda by 4 आपण पाहिलेलं आहे. Distance between two node is equal to lambda by 2 आहे. So the vibration of air column, हा एअर कॉलम कसा व्हायब्रेट होतो, त्यामध्ये किती नोड आणि अँटीनोड फॉर्म होतात हे आपल्याला आज पाहायचं आहे. कारण such wave will be vibrate in different modes and we have to find out the number of overtones or number of harmonics they are present in the fundamental mode, second mode and third mode. So first we have to see pipe is closed at one end. The figure is when pipe is closed at one end, the figure are shown. These are the fundamental mode, these are the second mode and these are the third modes of vibration of air column. In the fundamental mode is the simplest mode of vibrations. Small l be the length of pipe. These are the length of pipe. So tuning fork will be strike on a rubber pad and such striking tuning fork will be held near the mouth of the tubes or open end of the tubes. Tuning fork emit the logical waves, and wave will be incident in a pipe is the incident waves. Such wave will be reached at that closer end, and this wave will be reflected back in the opposite direction. So incident waves and reflected waves, they are interfere with each other, obtain the stationary waves. Stationary waves consisting of node and antinode. Node is formed at the closer end and antinode is formed at the open ends. So there is one question arise. Why node is formed at the closer end? Why antinode is formed at the open end? So node is formed at the closer end, so there is a particles are not free to vibrate at the closer ends. And antinode is formed at the open ends, so particles are free to vibrate at the open end. There is amplitude is maximum, there is amplitude is minimum. So there is a node is formed, there is an antinode is formed. So these are the incident wave, these are the reflective wave, and they are interfere. So in this case there is a one node and one antinode is formed. One node and one antinode is formed. By the properties of stationary waves, the distance between one node and adjacent antinode is equal to lambda by 4 आहे. एका नोड मधलं आणि एका अँटीनोड मधलं adjacent antinode मधलं अंतर किती आहे? लॅम्बडा बाय 4 आहे. In the second mode, such air column will again vibrate. In this case, there are two nodes and two antinodes is formed. The total distance between node and antinode is equal to 3 lambda by 4. Means the distance between one node and adjacent antinode is lambda by 4 plus distance between two nodes lambda by 2 is equal to 4 lambda plus 2 lambda is equal to 3 lambda by 4. So in this case frequency and wavelength should be different. So we have to given the wavelength is lambda 1 and frequency is n1. In the next mode of vibration or third modes, there are the 3 node and 3 antinode is formed. These are the incident waves, these are the reflected waves. Incident waves and reflected waves, they are interfere with each other, obtain the stationary waves, and stationary waves consisting of node and antinodes. So there are the 3 antinode and 3 node is formed. Length of air column cannot be changed up, or pi cannot be changed up. They should be here. Then distance between node and antinode is 5 lambda by 4. So in this case, first is lambda by 4 plus lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2 is equal to 4 lambda plus 2 lambda plus 2 lambda is equal to 5 lambda by 4. म्हणून 5 lambda 2 by 4 घेतलं कारण wavelength should be different, frequency also different. So these are the value of distance between node and antinode is lambda by 4, 3 lambda 1 by 4 and 5 lambda 2 by 4. But we have to calculate how many overtones and harmonics are present. From figure A, From figure A, length of the tube is length of tube L is equal to lambda by 4, distance between node and antinodes. Therefore, lambda equal to 4L. Lambda equal to 4L. Lambda is the wavelength, L is the length of the tube. But the relation between velocity, frequency and wavelength is V equal to N into lambda. Then N equal to V by lambda. N equal to V upon lambda ची किंमत आपण काढली 4L आहे. So this is the fundamental frequency of an air column. N is equal to V upon 4L. N means fundamental frequency of air column. V with the velocity of sound and L with the length of tubes. So this is the simplest mode of vibration, that is the fundamental mode, and is the fundamental frequency when pipe is closed right one end. N is equal to V upon 4L. From figure second or B, from figure B, length of tube is L. In this case, there are the two antinode and two node is formed. Then, in this case, the distance between node and antinode is, पहले याच्यामध्ये आपण लॅम्बडा बाय 4 प्लस लॅम्बडा बाय 2, याचा डिस्टन्स लॅम्बडा बाय 2 आहे, याचा डिस्टन्स लॅम्बडा बाय 4 आहे. But in this case, n1 and lambda 1 with the frequency and wavelength of the second mode of vibrations. Means there is a lambda 1 and there is a lambda 1. Lambda 1 by 4 plus lambda 1 by 2. So L equal to 4 lambda 1 plus 2 lambda 1. L equal to 3 lambda 1 by 4 and there lambda 1 is equal to 4L by 3. 4L by 3. Then again the relation of velocity, frequency and wavelength in this case. So V is equal to N1 into lambda 1. N1 is the frequency and lambda 1 is the wavelength, or in this case. Therefore, N1 equal to V by lambda 1 and N1 equal to V by lambda 1 की किंमत आपल्याला माहित आहे 4L by 3. 4L by 3. So N1 equal to V upon 4L into 3 and N1 equal to 3 into N. So V by 4L is the fundamental frequency and having the values is N. N1 is equal to 3 into N. From this equation we have to clear that the first overtone and third harmonics are present. N1 is the first overtone and in the harmonics. So N1 is equal to 3N. These are the first overtones. Then from figure C, In this case, again, the incident waves and reflected waves, they are interfere with each other, obtain the stationary waves, and stationary waves consisting of node and antinodes. And in this case, there are 3 nodes and 3 antinodes are formed. या ठिकाणी 3 नोड आणि 3 अँटीनोड फॉर्म झाले आहेत. Length of tube is here. The length of tube L equal to पहिलं डिस्टन्स नोड आणि अँटीनोड मध्ये लॅम्बडा बाय 4 आहे, प्लस दुसऱ्यामधलं लॅम्बडा बाय 2 आहे, याच्यामधलं पण लॅम्बडा बाय 2 आहे. परंतु या ठिकाणी वेव्हलेंथ जे आहे आपण लॅम्बडा 2 आणि लॅम्बडा 2 घेतले. Wavelength should be different. In this case, these are the third mode of vibration. So, L equal to 4 lambda 2 plus 2 lambda 2 plus 2 lambda 2. L equal to is 5 lambda 2 by 4 and lambda 2 is equal to 4L by 5. 4L by 5. वेव्हलेंथ आपल्याला माहित झाली की लॅम्बडा 2 इक्वल टू 4L by 5 आहे. Then the wavelength and frequency should be different. Means velocity is v is equal to n2 into lambda 2. V is equal to n2 into lambda 2. So n2 equal to v by lambda 2. n2 equal to v by lambda 2 ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला माहित आहे 4L by 5 आहे. 4L by 5. Then n2 equal to 5 into v upon 4L म्हणजे n2 बरोबर 5 into n. n is the fundamental frequency and n is having the value is v upon 4L म्हणजे n आहे. So therefore n is equal to v upon 4L. So from this equation we have to clear that the second overtone and fifth harmonics are present in this case. From these three equations we have to clear that there is a first harmonic, there is a third harmonics, there is a fifth harmonics are present. The conclusion is when pipe is closed at one end, only odd harmonics are present. 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. And there is a first overtone, there is a second overtone. मग आपल्याला कोणत्याही ओव्हरटोनची फ्रिक्वेन्सी आपल्याला काढायची असेल तर आपल्याला काढता येते. द फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ फिफ्थ ओव्हरटोन, the frequency of fifth overtone is np बरोबर 2p plus 1 into n. np बरोबर 2p plus 1 into n. p means frequency of fifth overtones, which value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. आपण ही व्हॅल्यू येते का पोया फॉर्म्युल्यावरून? p ची किंमत 2 घ्या. n2 equal to 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 into s. So these are the second overtone. कोणत्याही ओव्हरटोनची फ्रिक्वेन्सी आपल्याला या फॉर्म्युल्यावर काढता येते. आपल्याला जर परीक्षेमध्ये विचारलं फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ एट्थ ओव्हरटोन इज हाऊ मच, तर आपल्याला काढता आली पाहिजे. दिस इज द फॉर्म्युला फॉर फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ फिफ्थ ओव्हरटोन व्हेन पाइप इज क्लोज्ड ॲट वन एंड और ओपन ॲट वन एंड. तर आज आपण काय पाहिलं याच्यामध्ये? vibration of an air column when pipe is closed at one end. आपण या 3 फिगर काढल्या. एक व्हायब्रेटिंग ट्युनिंग फोर्क घेतला आणि हा व्हायब्रेटिंग ट्युनिंग फोर्क या ट्यूबच्या जवळ नेऊन ठेवलेला आहे. हा ट्युनिंग फोर्क ज्यावेळेस व्हायब्रेट झाला, हा ट्युनिंग फोर्क व्हायब्रेट झाला या ठिकाणी इनवर्ड अँड आउटवर्ड डायरेक्शन. At that time it emit the waves. मग ह्या वेव्स इन्सिडेंट झाल्या पाईप मध्ये, कारण पाईप मध्ये फक्त एअर कॉलम आहे. इन्सिडेंट झाल्या, ही वेव्ह इन्सिडेंट वेव्ह या ठिकाणी पोहोचली आणि such wave will reflect back in the opposite direction due to the phenomena of reflection. मग इन्सिडेंट वेव्ह and reflected wave they are interfere with each other obtaining the stationary waves. There is a node and there is an antinodes. एक नोड आणि एक अँटीनोड फॉर्म झाला. टोटल डिस्टन्स बिटवीन वन नोड अँड ऍडजसंट अँटीनोड किती असेल त्या ठिकाणी लॅम्बडा बाय 4 आहे, म्हणून लेंथ ऑफ 2 इज इक्वल टू लॅम्बडा बाय 4 आहे. सेकंड फिगर मध्ये पण तसंच केलं आपण, फक्त डिस्टन्स बिटवीन नोड अँड अँटीनोड किती घेतलं, 3 लॅम्बडा 1 बाय 4 घेतलेलं आहे. थर्ड फिगर मध्ये पण डिस्टन्स बिटवीन नोड अँड अँटीनोड, कारण डिफरंट मोड ऑफ व्हायब्रेशन आहे, कारण एअर कॉलम कॅन व्हायब्रेट in different modes. So this distance between node and antinode is 5 lambda by 4. Frequency is different, wavelength should be different. So from this figure, 3 figure, these are the fundamental mode, these are the second mode, or these are the third mode. Then one by one from figure A, length of tube is L is equal to lambda by 4, lambda is equal to 4L, V is equal to N lambda, N is equal to V by lambda, so N is equal to V by 4L. These are the fundamental frequency of air column when pipe is closed right one end. Pipe closed right one end म्हणजे किती fundamental किती असेल, N is equal to V upon 4L असेल. From figure B मध्ये या डिस्टन्स किती आहे टोटल, L is equal to lambda 1 by 4 plus lambda 1 by 2, कारण या ठिकाणची व्हॅलेन्स लॅम्बडा 1 आहे, फ्रिक्वेन्सी N1 आहे आणि L is equal to 4 लसाव्याला त्या ठिकाणी लॅम्बडा 1 plus 2 लॅम्बडा 1 is equal to 3 lambda 1 by 4 आणि lambda 1 is equal to 4L by 3, V is equal to N1 lambda 1, N1 is equal to V by lambda 1 and N1 is equal to V upon 4L by 3. N1 is equal to V upon 4L into 3, N1 is equal to 3L. From this equation we have to clear that the fourth overtone and third harmonics are present. From figure C, total distance node and antinode किती आहे, 5 lambda 2 by 4 आहे. मग lambda 2 by 4 plus lambda 2 by 2 plus lambda 2 by 2 याचे हे केलं आपण आणि लेंथ इज इक्वल टू 5 लॅम्बडा 2 बाय 4 आलं आणि लॅम्बडा 2 ची व्हॅल्यू आली 4L बाय 5 आणि V इज इक्वल टू N2 लॅम्बडा 2. सो N2 इज इक्वल टू V बाय लॅम्बडा 2 आणि N2 बरोबर V बाय लॅम्बडा 2 ची किंमत ठेवून टाका 4L बाय 5 आणि N2 बरोबर 5 into V बाय 4L. सो V बाय 4L मीन्स फ्रिक्वेन्सी, फंडामेंटल फ्रिक्वेन्सी आणि N2 बरोबर 5 into N आहे. सो दिस इज द सेकंड ओव्हरटोन अँड फिफ्थ हार्मोनिक्स आर प्रेझेंट. जर आपला फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ हायर फ्रिक्वेन्सी आपल्याला काढायचं असेल त्या ठिकाणी तर फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ फिफ्थ ओव्हरटोन NP बरोबर 2P plus 1 into N. These are the formula for overtone can be calculated. NP is equal to 2P plus 1 into N. N is the fundamental frequency when pipe is closed right one end. So this is the vibration of an air column when pipe is closed right one end. तर मित्रांनो आजचा हा व्हायब्रेशन ऑफ एअर कॉलम पाईप इज क्लोज राईट वन एंड समजला असेलच आपल्याला. तरी पण एक वेळेस फक्त हा रिवाईव्ह करा, लगेच तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी त्याचं पाठांतर लगेच होऊन जाईल, यात शंका नाही.